Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we have another class, a wonderful class on maths. So remember one thing, before the few years we didn't have many symbols or signs in maths in Braille. But thank God, after UAB Braille, now we have a lot of Braille symbols. So that's very nice. At least people can do maths in Braille. So that's a good change, and we are finally going through, and we are moving ahead. We previously we used to do maths on math slates, right? And they were called Taylor frames, but finally they discontinued because it was not possible to save things on those frames. So in there, the best thing is that you can give homework to the students. They can bring it, you can check them properly like normal copy. So it has a lot of advantages. I'm not yet satisfied with Braille because first of all, we need Brailler for doing maths. On Braille slate, it is very, very difficult. So, secondly, in Braille maths, unfortunately, I mean, it's a little bit confusing, right? And Brailler is so expensive that everyone cannot afford it. So, but I think it's one of the ways, but students should learn it. Because if their slates are available, or math slate Brailler is available, they can do it. Okay, so we should learn both. To me, Taylor frame as well as this way. I mean Braille. So today I am making video on Braille maths. One day, inshallah, I will make video on maths slate as well. Right? So we can do it. So now we start with the brackets. We start with the brackets. Brackets, we have dot 5 and 1 to 6. Dot 5 and 1 to 6, it is written here. Dot 5 and 1 to 6, I write it down as well. So you can see dot 5, 1, 2, 6. So dot 5, 1, 2, 6.
Is that bracket open or bracket close?
Yeah, that is bracket open and bracket close. Yeah. Just see, that is dot 5 and 1, 2, 6. Can anyone give me a pen so I can just highlight it as well? It would be easy in the camera so people can see it clearly. Can anyone give me a pen? Give me a pen. Yeah. So here is dot 5 and here is dot 2 and here is dot 1. So this is 5, dot 5, 1, 2 and 6. Okay, next time I will ask somebody to mark because my marking is not very neat and clean. So this is the thing. So now we are moving ahead. Now so this is bracket. Sorry.
Yes, bracket is dot
5 and 1 to 6, and it is open bracket for round brackets. You know there are many types of brackets.
Yes.
One is round bracket. So round, some people call it parenthesis, round parenthesis as well. So round bracket or round parenthesis, we use dot 5 and 1 to 6. Okay. For close parenthesis or close bracket, you can round bracket or close round parenthesis. It is dot 5 and 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Remember, for opening it was dot 5, 1 to 6, and here it is dot 5, 3, 4, 5. In one cell we will put dot 5. Without leaving a space we will put 3, 4, 5. Clear? So that is close round parenthesis or close round bracket. So now I am putting dot 5, 1, 3, 4, 5. So please mark with pen as well. This is the pen. Please mark it so it can be highlighted.
Mark.
This is this is dot 5.
Okay.
Mark
Let me,
it.
okay. Wait.
Mark it. Use the line.
Mark it with your pen. Yes, dot 5 and this is 3, 4, 5. Clear?
Already.
So now next we have open square bracket. Open square bracket. So open square bracket it is dot 4, 6 and 1, 2, 6. 4, 6 in one you can say in one cell, then don't leave a space and then it is 1 to 6. Okay? Yeah, 1 to 6. It is open square bracket. Clear?
Open square bracket.
Bracket.
You have what? Dot what?
Yeah. Open square bracket.
Dot what?
Dot 5, dot 4, 4, 6 and dot 4, 6, wait a minute. Dot 4, 6 and 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1 to 6. Dot 4, 6 and 1 to 6. Open square bracket. You can just put
Dot what? Dot 4,
Yes.
6 plus.
1, 2, 3.
1 to 6.
1, 2, 6.
Yeah, here mark it as well.
What?
No, this
In
is
the
the book.
This is the book.
Yeah, it's fine. Because on slate it is taking a lot of time.
Where
right?
am I going to mark?
Yeah. Mark it over here.
This one.
Yeah, this one. This is dot 4, 6 and this is 1, 2, 6.
Remove your hand there. No, this is not dot 4. Put your hand there. So I make dot on this one.
Okay, you do it. Can you see? Or shall I do it on the paper?
Doctor, do it on the paper.
Okay.
You put your hand there.
I don't
Maybe you use this other paper. That is more the grey paper. This one is 2 lines.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's white.
It's white actually. So it's very visible. right?
Then change the this thing because there are writings here. That's why it's not clear.
This, I'm using this way. That way. Okay. So 4, 6, 1, 2, 6. That is open square bracket.
You see now it's clear.
Okay. I seen it now.
Yes.
4, 6 and
Let
1,
me
2.
put it
No,
on there.
even you don't put it there. It's clear.
It's clear?
Yes, it's very clear.
It's very
Video
clear.
capture it.
No need to put pen marks on it?
Exactly.
Yes, okay. Absolutely. So now we are going next, right? Now we are dealing with close square bracket. Close square bracket. It is 4, 6 in one cell and the next cell 3, 4, 5. That is close square bracket. Okay. So I do it as well. 4, 6 and 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Here it is.
Dot 4, 6 and
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
It's very clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next we are yes. So next we have yes. Next we have open curly bracket. Open curly bracket. Open curly bracket is 4, 5, 6 in one cell, and the next cell 1, 2, 6. I repeat, 4, 5, 6, and then in the next cell 1, 2, 6. Okay?
Say it is open.
It is open curly bracket.
Open column.
Curly bracket. Okay? Open curly bracket.
Open curly bracket.
Curly bracket. So 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6.
4, 5, 6 plus 1.
1, 2, 6. Just see.
Yes, just remove yours. It's good.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Next we have close curly bracket. Okay? It is 4, 5, 6 in the first cell, and next cell 3, 4, 5. It is close curly bracket. It is close curly bracket. Okay? I do it. So 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay? 4, 5.
Wait.
Wait a minute.
And
3, 4, 5. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, and here 3, 4, 5. This one.
Yes, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So next is open angle bracket. Open angle bracket. You know there is an angle bracket as well.
With ended bracket.
Angle.
Angle.
G L E. Angle bracket.
Angle. Angle.
Yeah.
open.
Angle bracket. That is dot 4 and 1 to 6. Dot 4 and 1 to 6. Dot 4 and 1 to 6. So I put it again. 4 and 1 to 6. Dot 4 and 1 to 6.
Dot 4
And 1 to 6. 2, 6. Here it is. Just see dot 4 and 1 to 6. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So as we have discussed, dot 5, 1 to 6 is open angle bracket. Now close angle bracket. Close angle bracket is dot 4, 3, 4, 5. Dot 4, 3, 4, 5 is close angle bracket. I put it here as well, so you can see. Dot 4, 3, 4, 5. I show it to you. Dot 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Just focus on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
Yes. Next. Now we move on to after brackets. We move on to plus minus signs. Remember before UAV braille, there were very few signs in braille, and mostly they were different in different countries. Like in Pakistan and in India, it was for plus, it was a different, minus, it was a different. But after UAV braille, now they have made at least universal signs. So dot 5 and 2, 3, 5. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 5, it's plus. I repeat, dot 5 and 2, 3, 5 is plus. I put it as well. Wait a minute, plus sign. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 5. Dot 5 and 2, 3. Dot 5, 2,
That is
3,
what?
5.
That is what?
Plus. Just focus. That is dot 5 and 2, 3, 5. Okay?
Remove your hand. Okay.
That is plus sign. Okay. Next,
Close sign is dot 5.
and in one cell dot 5, next 2, 3, 5. Okay. Next we have dot 5 and 3, 6. Dot 5 and 3, 6. That is minus sign. Dot 5 and 3, 6. That is minus sign. I do it again. Please remove. Yes, I do it again. Dot 5 and 3, 6. That is minus. That is minus. Just focus on it. That is minus. Okay, this is minus. Dot 5 and 3, 6. Okay. Next, we have. Wait a minute. So here we have now dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. In Braille we call it question mark as well. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. It is multiplication sign. It is multiplication sign. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. I put it here. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 6. Okay? Okay. Now we have next is dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. Dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. It is multiplication dot. Dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. Multiplication dot.
Multiplication, is it dot 5?
Then first dot 5 in first cell, then in the next cell dot 2, 5, 6.
2, 3, 6.
No, 2, 5, 6. 2, 3, 6 is multiplication sign.
Yes.
This is multiplication dot. If you know maths, you know the difference between multiplication dot and multiplication sign. So we are not discussing maths here, otherwise I would have explained it to you, right? So this is multiplication dot. Clear?
Okay.
Dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. Clear? So let me do
Dot 5
and
and
full stop.
multiplication dot, you have dot 5 and what?
Dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6.
Alright.
Dot 5 and 2, 5, 6. Here it is. Just focus on it. Dot 5 and
Remove your hand. Okay.
okay. So that is multiplication dot. Okay. Next, dot 5 and 3, 4. Dot 5 and 3, 4. That is division sign. The dot 5. Yeah, dot 5 and 3, 4. Dot 5 and 3, 4. That is division sign. Okay. Dot 5 and
3, 4.
that is division sign. I put it mark. Actually, multitasking is a very difficult job. People get confused, and I'm one of those because it takes. In Braille, we need to memorize even line numbers as well. So a lot of confusion. So yes.
Dot 5 3, 4.
Yes, 3, 4, that is division sign. Yes, this is dot 5 and 3, 4. That is division sign. Okay? Okay, that is division sign. Next. Next is dot 5 dot 4 and 3, 4, 5. Dot 4 and 3, 4, 5. It is greater than sign. It is greater than sign. Dot 4 and 3, 4, 5. Dot 4 and 3, 4, 5. I put it here. Right. I have the yes. Okay. Dot 4 and 3, 4, 5. That is greater than. That is greater than. I'll show it to you. Yes. See. That is greater than. Okay.
Yeah, Johan.
Okay. Next is less than. The next is less than. That is dot 4 and 1 to 6. Dot 4 and 1 to 6. Dot 4 and 1 to 6.
Dot 4 and 1 to 6.
Dot 4 and 1 to 6. Okay. Dot 4 and
1 to 6.
1 to 6. So this is less than. Okay. This is less than. Please close the door.
No, no one is coming. It's the door. It's okay. I've taken.
Dot 4 and 1 to 6. Done.
Yes.
Next, we have equal sign, equals, right? Which we use at the when we put the answer, right? Equal sign. So now we will move to equal sign. Okay. Equals. That is dot 5 and 2, 3, 5, 6. Dot 5 and 2, 3,
5, 6.
5, 6. Dot 5, 2, 3, 5, 6. I'll show it to you. Wait a minute. Here it is. Dot 5 and 2. Yeah. Dot 5 and 2,
3,
3, 5,
5,
6.
6.
Okay? This is clear? Yes.
Wait.
This,
Is this one?
yeah.
Yes.
This one here, at the top.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Next, we. Okay. Equals. Next, we have ratio sign.
We have
Ratio sign. You know ratio?
ratio.
Yeah. So ratio is 2, 5. But we will put it with the numbers. We will put it with the numbers. Then it is called ratio. For example, if I need to take out the ratio of 10, so I will write 2, 5 before 10. Okay? So that is 2, 5 is the ratio sign. So I put it here. For example, I am taking out the ratio of 10. Clear? So I show it. Ratio of 10, 2, 5, 10. So I am putting with this as well, right? 2, 5, and then number sign, then 1, 0. Okay. So I'm putting with it. So it's a ratio sign. Clear?
Yeah.
Now in real maths, in algebra, we have the same signs for x, y, z, a, b, c. Right? They are the same. Yeah.
Ratio sign is what?
2, 5. 2, 5. So power sign, if we need to put power sign, for example, if I say x has the power of 2, x has the power of 2. For power, we will put 3, 5. We will put 3, 5. 3, 5, I show it to you. For example, I put x, the power upon 2. I will use it. Yes, I'm using it. X 3, 5, number sign 2, and this is just C X. So here is X, then 3, 5 is for power, and then we have number sign and then 2. Clear? So this I'm not talking about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because that you already know. 1 has dot 1, 2 has dot 1, 2, 3 has dot 1, 4, dot 4 has 1, 4, 5, 5 has 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5, 9, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 5. And we put number sign before every number. That is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For example, if we need to write 10, we will put 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, then 0. Okay. So these are the numbers. Next, angles. Then angles. How to talk about angles in Braille? So in Braille, we use for angles we use dot 2, 3 and ED sign. Dot 2, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 4, 6. Dot 5. So not 2, 3. I'm so sorry. 5, 6. That is letter sign. Actually, there is so much going on that I mix up things. Dot 4, 5. That is number sign. Then 1, 2, 4, 6, that is ED sign, and then we put the angle number. For example, if it is triangle, we will put number 3. If it is 4 square, we will put number sign and 4. If it is hectagon angle, hectagon, same 6, right? Or 8, whatever. So whatever the angles are, we will simply put dot 5, 6, dot 1, 2, 4, 6, and then the angle number. And we can put terminator as well. I will talk about later on. Right? Terminator sign is 1, 3, 5. Okay? So then we put terminator sign 1, 3, 5. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, I put it here as well. For example, I want to indicate triangle. I want to indicate triangle. So So what I will do, I will simply I'm putting this. So here I'm saying 5 6 5 6, then 1 2 4 6 next cell, then how many corners that angle has. For example, it has four corners, means square, or for example triangle, so I'm putting 3,
Yeah.
3, and then terminator sign. Terminator sign is 1 3 5. I show it to you. I show it to you. Just see, focus on it. So 5 6 letter sign, then 1 2 4 6, then number sign, then number 3, and then 1 3 5. So this is the for different shapes. Okay, so as we are learning maths, I think we should learn something about currencies as well, right? And measurements, right? So that would be nice, because that is sometimes part of it. So to indicate cent, how many cents this, for example, $1 has 100 cents, right?
Yeah.
So we put dot 4 and C, dot 4 and C. That is the indication that these are the cents. Okay, CENT, dot 4 and
C.
C. I
Small
will-
letter C.
yes. Okay, so dot 4 and 1 4. That is cent. Just see, cent. Okay, that is cent. This is dot 4 and C. That is cent. Okay. Next we have a dollar sign. Dollar sign is dot 4 and C is for cent. Dot 4 and S.
3 4.
Dot 4 and S. I mean 2 3 4. That is for dollar. That is for S. That is for dollar. So dot 4 and 2 3 4. I put it. Wait a minute. Put it. Okay, dot 4 and 2 3 4. Dot 4 and 2 3 4. Just see. This is dot 4 and 2 3 4.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. 2 3 4. That is dollar sign. Dot 4 and E is for euro. Okay. Dot 4 and E 1 5 is for euro. Dot 4 and L is for pound. Dot 4 and L 1 2 3. That is for pound. Dot 4 6 and sorry. dot 2356. 2356 is for feet. If we want to indicate feet, 2356.
Lower G.
I am saying lower G. Yeah, this is for feet. For example, feet sign. For example, it has 5 feet, so you will put lower G before the number. So that will indicate feet. And if you are putting double lower G, I mean 2356 and 2356,
That is inches.
that is inches. That is inches. Okay, that is
Inches.
inches. So, some quick things. For putting up dash, for example, sometimes we put dash, right? We need to put dash somewhere, even in maths, right? So what we do, we put dot 36 dot 36 for that, dot 36 for dash, but before 36 we put dot 6. So dot 6 and 36, that is for dash. Dot 6 and then 36. Okay, but if you put dot 2 and then 36, that is long dash. That is long. Dot 2 and then 36 we put, that is long dash. So hope you have learnt a lot of things in maths. And if we haven't, if we have missed anything else, I will make another video. Hope you have liked this video. Thanks. Share and comment on these videos and share it with others as well, because special education is a very limited field. Not too many people have access to it. So please share it with them. Thanks.